Let me ask you, why this fight and why now? Respond to that.
Why?
Why this fight and why now?
Gusto ko itong laban na ito kasi magaling si Adrian Broner, magaling magtaas, his style is similar to Floyd Mayweather. Niniwala ako na magandang laban ito at maraming aksyon na magaganap sa taas ng ring. Siguro, this time, siguro yung tamang panahon nauna bata yung kalaban ko. Ako, medyo na pero physical condition ko is young.
Now, you said, there's the possibility of Mayweather after this fight. You also just said you want to end your career fighting in the Philippines. How much fighting do you have left in you?
Mayroon pa mga laban siguro. Pwede pa ako sa 24 years. Pwede pa ako lumaban. Based on my condition. I'm so thankful to God that He gave me the strength and both health every day. So, thank you. Thanking to God.
Any message back for the fans of the Philippines?
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga kabayan ko from the Philippines for supporting me. Panoorin niyo po itong laban against Adrian Broner, January 19, Las Vegas, para po sa karangalan.